everyone, thank you for clicking this video, and today I will show you how to make comic transition effects on CapCut. So I have two pictures of Lisa Blackpink here, and I want to make it like a comic transition effects. So the first I will click on the effects and then click video effects, and after that I will going to comic and then choose the transition like maybe bolts, and after that click save. I will change the duration and choose the transition like maybe bubble blur or black fade. I will choose the black fade one, and then click on the pictures and click style, and I will going to comic like this. And click save. Don't forget to add a video effects again, and I will choose might. Click save. So this is the result. You can add a sound like maybe a sound effects. Click on the audio and then effects. I will go to the transition and then choose the movie title here and set it and up the duration to like this, and then this is the result. So this is how to make comic transition effects on CapCut. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click thanks below. I will really appreciate that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.